What's up, guys? Like, trust me, this is a good job. Like, only few celebrities in Nigeria really do these things, and I really want to say Ewa is a good man. He's wonderful. He's outstanding, guys. Just in case you don't know AY, AY is a Guinness World Record holder. He's a celebrity influencer, a promoter, a businessman, a movie producer, a writer, an actor, and of course, a stand-up comedian. Not just an ordinary comedian, is a comedian with a difference. Like, he's really good in his work, and the fact that he actually helps people is one of the amazing substance he has. And such celebrities really need to be given a great gratitude. Like, I hope that other celebrities are able to learn from this and try to help people more often. Like, this is wonderful. He just helped someone with a cerebral palsy. It's actually a group of disorder that affects the movement and the muscle tone, and it's actually caused by damage that occurs to the immature brain when it's developed, like when the person is still a child. Putting a smile on someone's face is the best thing you can ever do in this world, and I hope that we also are able to accumulate these and help people and make them smile, even if it's just once, guys. So guys, another gist is about our popular actress Nkechi Blessing Just in case you don't know her, she's really a good actress, she's beautiful, and the gist is that this girl is engaged at the moment. Like, everyone is shocked, like what is going on. You know why? The reason is because this girl had been in a relationship, several relationship actually, and she broke up. I think it's a normal thing to break up sometimes when the relationship is not working. You just kind of force it. Okay, it's understood. Actually, this girl had been in a relationship with this particular guy, and boom, all of a sudden they broke up. And we remember that one time she was saying they were going to get married, and all of a sudden they were no more together. You know, most times you can't just predict how a relationship can end, can just start really nice and all of a sudden it is over. The funniest thing is that in less than 2 months after breaking up with the guy, now she is engaged, and everyone is asking, is it that she was double dating? Is it that she has been cheating? Like, what is going on? Guys, I really want you to tell me what you really think about this engagement. Is it that she's back to her boyfriend and she just wants to surprise us, like, hey, we are not over, we are still together? Or she was dating and double dated, you understand, like she was cheating on her boyfriend? Is it the case? Or I don't know, guys. Though the ring is so beautiful, anyway, we wish her the best. Just comment and let me know what you think about this whole thing.
I just a pity for people wey borrow money for this AMVC. The ones wey go do designer of million. By now, their eye don't clear. You see us so, we know they do pass ourselves. One way they say, what the fuck is allowed to care when they have top-notch designers? Top-notch design. The clothes I wear today, you not fine. You not like you not see am for black shiner body. Waiting with the difference. Exactly. No comma. The only difference now be say I no get the kind tattoo way black shiner gets, but we still slay the same clothes. Made by my own very Aladuke for Ikeja here. I need to do pass myself. See my room. It's only me that is inside. I paid with my money. You know, nobody. I know they all want designer money tomorrow. Now way my heart go to skip. Cut your coat.
One of you will betray me tonight. Is it me, Jesus? No. Is it me, Jesus? It's not you either. Is it me, Jesus? Is it me, Jesus?
Guys, if you're watching me for the first time, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, because I'll be bringing you guys all the latest gist just like I've done right now. Do not forget to drop a comment. I want you to let me know what you think about Nkechi Blessings engagement. Tell me how much you really appreciate AY's job. And yeah, so let's get the love, let's get everything needed. Bye bye.